Hello students, welcome back to our channel Solve for Success Maths. Today we will reveal the answer for SAT Math Challenge Day 9. So we have the question, what is the unit digit of 7 power 53? So we know 7 power 1, 7 power 2, 7 power 3, we can calculate it. But 7 power 53, it is a big exponent, right? But don't worry, I'll give you a simple math trick to solve this. So first of all, we'll write down the powers of 7. 7 power 1 is 7 and 7 power 2 is 7 multiplied twice and we'll have 49. 7 power 3 is 7 into 7 into 7 which is 343. 7 power 4 is 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 which is 2401. Now 7 power 5 is 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7, that is 2401 multiplied with 7, and again we have 7 power 6 is equal to 7 multiplied 6 times, and we have 2401 into 7 into 7. Now we'll check the unit digit of each and every exponent. Here the unit digit is 7. Here the unit digit is 9. Here unit digit is 3. And for 7 power 4 it is 1. 7 power 5 the unit digit is 7. And for 7 power 6 the unit digit is, if we check this, 1 multiplied with 7, 7, 7 multiplied with 7 is 49. So there the unit digit is 9. Now check the pattern. We have 7, 9, next 3, 1, 7, 9, and the pattern repeats 3, 1. So if we observe, for the fourth cycle the pattern is repeating. So for every power of 4 the pattern is repeating. So now take the exponent 53 and divide by 4, which gives us 13 remainder 1. So 53 divided by 4 gives us 13 remainder 1. So 1 maps to the position 1 where we have the unit digit as 7. Therefore, unit digit of 7 power 53 is 7. So like that we can find out the unit digit of any exponent depending upon the remainder. So we have to divide any exponent with 4 and check the remainder. If you have the remainder 1, it maps to the first position and the unit digit will be 7. If you have the remainder 2, go to the second position where you have the unit digit as 9. And if the remainder is 3, go to the third position and the unit digit is 3. And if the remainder is 0, go to the fourth position, because 4 divided by 4 gives the remainder 0 and it maps to the fourth position where we have the unit digit as 1. So if you get it correct, comment yes. Otherwise, now you know the solution. You can do it easily.